All right, so you're looking for ways to make money on social media, the easy ways. Well, I am back with another video on Facebook Reels bonuses, and it still remains a mystery. I will tell you why it's a mystery right after this intro. Thanks for returning back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, go ahead and press the like and subscribe button. You'll see it somewhere around here or here. You can easily subscribe, just press that button. But let's get to the point. Now, what is the Facebook bonuses monetization? Basically, when you post a reel, which is a video, and sometimes, let me tell you, easy ways to post a reel is to just record something you're doing, whether you're chopping vegetables or cooking a special recipe or fixing on a house, painting. Everything is content. So don't think that you cannot get paid on Facebook, and don't think Reels is hard. It's not hard to do, okay? But what the Reels program is that you actually make money when you post Reels. Okay, now in order to get to that point, you have to convert your profile page to professional mode. Now, from what I understand, some months ago, or when the program first started, people would get a notification in their notification box. I did not get a notification, but what I did was start looking around, playing with it, trying to find out how to get into the bonus program. And so a button did pop up, or I noticed that my features were different. So I started clicking on stuff and I saw convert to professional mode, and I did that. So if you want to get paid to post on Facebook, get paid, get bonuses for Facebook Reels, be sure to convert your profile page to professional. Now, let's talk about this mystery. All right, so when people first started talking about the Facebook bonus program, they were reporting getting earnings of $30,000 and $35,000 in 30 days, which is the reason I was super excited and couldn't wait to get into this program. But from what I understand, that was being paid as the rollout, as the intro to the program. And from what I understand, they used to pay like $14 per 1,000 views, but now guess what they pay? A whole 50 cents. But let me tell you, I'm not complaining, right? So let's get back again to the mystery and why the program is so mysterious. My first 30 days in the program, right? My whole channel seemed to change. And I noticed that my views were being suppressed and hardly any of my followers were seeing the content. But I, didn't know why. So I just kept posting. I even got to the point I was posting 3 times a day. But guess what? Nothing changed. Now, let's talk about round 2. After the 30 days, they gave me a round 2. And, so I was still eligible to get bonuses because it goes on 30-day increments. So round 2, it seemed like a lot more people. Let me back up too a little bit. I have over 100,000 followers on Facebook. So I just thought that was a slam dunk when I got into the program. But I didn't know about the suppression of the views. I didn't know that would happen. But so round 2, let's go to that. Round 2, it seemed like I started to get more views. People were starting to see my video content again. So round 2, it was decent. I still didn't make the max dollar amount though. All right, so round 3. Now, it was just like everything was back to normal. It was so weird. It was like I had my old page back. So I don't know if they let everybody see your content after a certain number of views or after you post a certain number of videos. I don't know what it was, but the floodgates opened and I reached the maximum of $1,200 in about 5 days of round 3. Now, if you like this video and if you're getting some good and new information, press that like button or drop me a comment in the comment section. Just let me know, hey, great info, something, right? So let's talk about how Facebook Reels bonuses is even a bigger mystery. Now, this is what they told me I earned last month, right? But this is what they paid me. So, Facebook bonuses is still a mystery, but guess what I'm gonna do as a result? I don't know if this, what I earned versus what I received, I don't know if that was a mistake or if there were some additional bonus that I don't know about. I'm not sure, but guess what I'm gonna do? Keep on posting. I'm gonna keep on posting Facebook bonuses Reels. So that is it on the Facebook Reels bonus program. If you made it to the end of this video, drop a comment in the comment section below and just say, I made it. All right. So thanks for watching this video on the Facebook bonus program. I'm Katina Willis. Now, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. I would love to speak back and say hello. So thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time.